Today I'm going to show you the best dash cams for night driving and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Front Enhanced Night Vision Dash Cam with 128GB. If nighttime visibility and storage are important to you, this dash cam is designed to give you more confidence when recording after dark. The enhanced night vision helps capture footage in low light conditions, while the included 128GB storage provides plenty of space for saving important recordings. That can be especially useful for daily commuting, longer road trips, and keeping footage available when you need to review an incident. If you're looking for a dash cam focused on night recording and generous storage, this model is worth checking out. Number 2. DELLFY 3-channel front inside camera. If you want broader coverage inside and around your vehicle, this DELLFY 3-channel dash cam is designed to capture multiple views at once. A multi-camera setup can be useful for recording the road ahead, the area behind you, and what's happening inside the cabin. That's especially helpful for everyday commuting, road trips, or rideshare driving where interior footage can be important. If you're looking for a practical 3-channel setup with more complete coverage, this model is worth checking out. Number 3. IIWEY STARVIS 4-channel night vision. If you're looking for extensive coverage with improved nighttime recording, this IIWEY 4-channel dash cam is designed to capture multiple areas around your vehicle. The STARVIS sensor technology is built for clearer low-light footage, while the 4-channel setup provides a wider view than a standard single or dual dash cam. This can be useful for commuting, parking, and recording important incidents from different angles. If broad coverage and night vision are your priorities, this model is worth checking out. Number 4. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear, Touchscreen 3.18-inch, free 64GB car dash camera built-in Wi-Fi GPS, UHD 2160p night vision, WDR, parking monitor, F7N Touch. If you want a feature-rich dual dash cam, this REDTIGER F7N Touch combines front and rear recording with a convenient 3.18-inch touchscreen. It records in 4K from the front and includes a 1080p rear camera, while built-in Wi-Fi and GPS add useful connectivity and location tracking. You also get night vision, WDR, G-sensor protection, loop recording, and parking monitoring, plus a 64GB card. If you want strong everyday coverage with plenty of features, this model is worth checking out. Number 5. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front Rear, STARVIS 2 Sensor, free card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 20 MB/s fast download, dash camera for cars with GPS, WDR night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, 24H parking mode, F7NP. This REDTIGER F7NP is built for drivers who want detailed front and rear recording with useful connectivity features. It offers 4K front video and 1080p rear recording, while the STARVIS 2 sensor is designed to improve low-light performance. You also get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, WDR night vision, a 170-degree wide-angle view, loop recording, and parking monitoring. A 128GB memory card is included, giving you convenient storage from the start. If you're looking for a capable dual dash cam, this model is worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.